The Schwan Chef Collective chefs and the Methodist Hospital chefs are working together today to really bring the wow to the pizza portfolio.
In speaking with the hospital staff, we really learned about a number of challenges that they face every day, and we're here to really help them develop solutions.
Opportunity-wise, we could definitely expand on our offerings. Really, the goal is to do more things to order where the customer can see their food being made in front of them.
So we're graffitiing the walls of the conference room with different ideas for toppings and breads and forms of pizza.
I find working with Schwans very enlightening. They are willing to come into a hospital and give us some new ideas and set a basis for us to move ahead with it.
Food in a hospital setting, I think, is really important. You have people here to support their loved ones, and they're looking for something that's, comforting. You want something that's like, a hug because you're going through a hard time. Then you have people that are working long hours, and they want something that can be really fast, grab and go.
We wanted to take a number of our pizza crusts and provide the wow that they were looking for, and we came up with a lot of great recipes today.